Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Option channel for UPSC examination. In today's video, we are going to see the South Asian Nitrogen Hub project, which is recently in news. Now, this project is completely related with the biodiversity and environment conservation. This made this topic very important from the UPSC preliminary examination point of view. That is why it is very important that you should know everything about the South Asian Nitrogen Hub project. Alright, so let us see what is this project. Now, this South Asian Nitrogen Hub project was initially started by the British government. You should carefully remember this because, as the name suggests, it is a South Asian Nitrogen Hub project. So you will not imagine that this project is started by the British government. All right. The aim of this project is to study the nitrogen pollution in South Asian countries. All right. Now, which South Asian countries are covered? Now, first of all, it will include the India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Afghanistan, Bhutan, and Maldives. So the 8 South Asian countries are included. First is India, then Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Afghanistan, Bhutan, and Maldives are covered under the South Asian Nitrogen Hub project. Now this project, which will cover the South Asian countries, will only find the effect of nitrogen in atmospheric pollution. All right. This project in UK is started by an organization called Center for Ecology and Hydrology. It is UK-based center which is controlling the South Asian Nitrogen Hub project. Now, including all these 8 countries and plus UK, there are nearly 50 organizations which are taking part in this project. And out of these 50, there are 18 organizations are coming from the India. That is all these 8 countries plus UK. From these 9 countries, there are total 50 organizations which are coming together for this particular project. And out of these 50 organizations, 18 are coming from the India. Now, some example from the India are JNU, then Aligarh Muslim University, National Physical Laboratory, etc. are coming from the India to join the hands with the UK government for this particular project. Now, it is very important to remember the aim of this study is to find the effect of nitrogen pollution on these 8 countries. Now, why nitrogen pollution is so important? Now, whenever you think about the pollution, you will think about the air pollution, water pollution, etc. Right? And sometimes, from the global warming point of view, you often heard about the carbon dioxide plus methane. Those are greenhouse gases which are responsible for the global warming. But relatively, the nitrogen is a very inert compound which are present in the atmosphere and generally does not react with the other chemical compounds. But certain forms of this nitrogen can react with the other environmental factors, and this can cause the nitrogen pollution. Now, for example, the pollutants like ammonia, that is the NH3, and nitrogen oxide, both these are produced from the agricultural fertilizers. That is, fertilizers are quite responsible for producing the NH3, that is ammonia, and nitrous oxides. Now, both these are contributing to the air pollution. And the air pollution which is occurred due to the nitrogen as well as the nitrous oxide can create the respiratory problems in the human beings. These respiratory problems can lead to the heart problems. So this is a very serious issue from the human point of view as well. Not only this, the nitrous oxide is an greenhouse gas. So this also contributes to the global warming, right? Beside this, now nitrate in some chemical fertilizers is directly poured into the water, and due to the pouring of this nitrogenous waste in the water, this creating a risk for not only for the humans but also for the fish, then coral reefs and plant life from the seas. So this again cause the very harmful effect by polluting the water. So nitrogen is not only related with the air pollution but also related with the water pollution, which can have direct effect on the humans, fish, coral reefs, and plant life in the seas. So on this particular topic, from the examination point of view, you should remember that the South Asian Nitrogen Hub project was sanctioned by the British government, and in the UK, the Center for Ecology and Hydrology is quite responsible for this project. Now, there are 8 South Asian countries which are covered under this particular project for the nitrogen pollution are India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Afghanistan, Bhutan, and Maldives. There are total 50 organizations from these 8 countries plus UK. And out of these 50 organizations, 18 are coming from the India, like JNU, AMU, that is Aligarh Muslim University, and National Physical Laboratory, etc. So this is very important from the UPSC preliminary examination point of view, and you should remember all these points very carefully. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.